Affiliate marketing, the solution to control your growing expenditures. With increasing cost of living today, it is hard to sustain your household needs if only a single member of your family is generating income. It is now a necessity that families have at least 2 income-generating family members. Just think that you are having an income of $30,000 to $60,000 every year. Big amount, isn't it? But once you have figured out your growing expenses for your automobile, such as gasoline, repairs, insurance, and others, your work, like bus fare and meals, children's needs, and house mortgages, it will just lead to a spendable income, which means you barely had enough to regularly finance your expenses and kept little or no savings at all. Do not let yourself be drowned of these growing expenditures of your family. There are available ways of earning additional income aside from your present job. You can actually develop your family lifestyle and not be haunted by creditors by working an online career. Not only that you can have additional money to spend for your expenditures, but also you can spend quality time with your family as well. All you need to do is sit back at the comfort of your home, in front of your personal computer, and you are on the go of creating your first batch of $1,000 through affiliate marketing. What is affiliate marketing? It refers to the endorsement of products or services in the internet through affiliates. Affiliates are usually webmasters and e-zine editors who act as sales agents on behalf of their clients in exchange for a commission on each sale made. In affiliate marketing, you can prefer either the one-tier program or the two-tier program. In the former, you earn on a per-referral basis and cannot hire sub-affiliates to assist you in endorsing a certain product or service. The commission will come from your direct referral. The latter is quite favorable to you as an affiliate. You will not only earn from your direct referrals, you can also obtain a percentage commission from the referrals by your co-affiliates who join your program. Affiliate marketing for online entrepreneurs. In case that you are an online entrepreneur and you have your own site, you can use affiliate marketing to endorse your business and increase your sales. You can set up an affiliate marketing program by including the necessary software for it. Have your program's terms, conditions, and online registration form posted in your website. Let your potential affiliates read it and join if they are satisfied with it. Aside from posting details regarding your affiliate marketing program, you can also opt to advertise in e-zine advertisement networks, search engines, and other sites having high web traffic. Have your marketing program be registered through affiliate program directories and networks so that prospects who are looking for some new opportunities can find you. You could also write reviews and articles and let it post in free article sites and request the editors to publish it in your e-zine. Affiliate marketing for newbies. If you are just new in the business, no products and websites of your own, but you want to earn money through affiliate marketing, you can set yourself up as an affiliate. Learning the basics of internet marketing and invest quality time and enough money in order for you to earn income from promoting products of other people. Determine the hottest products or services in the web, register as an affiliate, and start promoting the product by using different marketing strategies. You can conduct extensive research about these things. You can check sites which have online marketing forums. Read posted messages in that particular site and try to participate by posting your queries too. You can also ask questions to marketers online and gain some useful tips in your affiliate career. Affiliate marketing offers you the earning opportunity that you are waiting for. You can use tons of information right at your fingertips as you work from home. If you will devote your time and spend your money wisely in this kind of online business, there will come a time that it is more than enough to fund your growing expenditures. Moreover, expect that your family will thank you in the end.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsupport.info/webinar.